Welcome to Scope Management, from Vision to WBS. This presentation will guide you through the essential steps of scope management, transforming high-level visions into actionable plans. Let's explore how to master projects and inspire leadership. Our agenda includes defining the scope, exploring scope definition tools, understanding the work breakdown structure, and discussing scope control and next steps. Each section is designed to enhance your project management skills. Scope management is crucial for turning visions into plans. It involves defining boundaries to keep projects on track. Without clear boundaries, projects can spiral out of control. Planning is key to managing and achieving project goals. Scope creep refers to unauthorized changes that erode a project's budget and schedule. Preventing scope creep requires clear scope definition and rigorous control processes. This ensures changes are justified and managed effectively. Product scope defines the features of the final deliverable, while project scope encompasses the work required to produce it. Managing both scopes is crucial for delivering the desired product and meeting stakeholder expectations. Gathering requirements is the first step in defining scope. Engage with stakeholders to understand their needs. This raw input is vital for accurate scope definition, ensuring the project meets all expectations. The Requirements Traceability Matrix, RTM, organizes and tracks requirements. It links each requirement to its source, ensuring accountability. The RTM helps track status and ensures only valid requirements are included in the project. The project scope statement is the foundational document of planning. It guides all subsequent activities, ensuring everyone understands what is included in the project. This clarity is essential for successful project execution. Acceptance criteria are measurable conditions for deliverables. They ensure mutual understanding and prevent disputes. Clear criteria are crucial for smooth project closure and successful completion of deliverables. The work breakdown structure, WBS, is a hierarchical decomposition of work. It breaks down deliverables into manageable components, making planning and control more effective. The WBS is central to scope management. WBS elements should represent deliverables, not activities. This focus avoids confusion and ensures clarity. By using nouns instead of verbs, the WBS remains focused on the end product, aiding in effective project management. The WBS has a hierarchical structure. The top level represents the project name, followed by major deliverables, and work packages at the lowest level. Work packages are the smallest units, essential for effective management. The 100% rule ensures completeness in the WBS. It prevents scope gaps and redundancies, ensuring all necessary work is accounted for. The WBS must represent 100% of the project scope for accurate planning and execution. The WBS dictionary is a companion document providing detailed definitions for each work package. It includes descriptions, costs, and schedules, eliminating ambiguity and ensuring consistent understanding across the team. The WBS is a critical planning tool, defending against scope creep and facilitating change control. It provides a roadmap for execution and a reference for assessing new requests, ensuring changes are managed effectively. Decomposing the project scope into the WBS requires collaboration. Involving the project team ensures accurate definition and builds ownership. This leads to more accurate estimates and smoother execution. The scope baseline is formed by the approved combination of the scope statement, WBS, and WBS dictionary. It represents the official project scope, ensuring all changes go through a formal change control process. Validating scope is a critical process where the customer inspects and accepts completed deliverables. This ensures transparency and agreement on what has been completed, maintaining project integrity. Avoid over-engineering the WBS to prevent micromanagement. Find the sweet spot for accurate estimation without excessive detail. Efficient planning requires a balance to ensure effective project management. Linking scope to schedule and cost is essential for project management. The WBS serves as the foundation for estimating duration and cost, ensuring the project timeline and budget are realistic and achievable.